This is the Starfighter. Now, this design isn't mine. It's the paper airplane guy's. His name's John Collins, I'm pretty sure. He holds the world record for paper airplanes. For distance with a paper airplane. Over 200 feet. I forget the exact measurements, but it's pretty far. I mean, I saw the video of it. And, so it's not mine, but I like it. It's stylish. It's really good. And let's get started. So what you do is you do the water bomb fold, which is take this line, or this edge, and fold it down to this edge. And you're going to want to line this up straight, like that, and make sure that this has an exact tip. Like it's not flattened off. It's just a tip, like straight. All right, and unfold it. Yes, and do the same with the other side. Unfold that. Fold down the middle. And you're going to want to get, I'll show it to you. See that fold right there? And that fold right there, you're going to want to pretty much line those two up. And then on this fold, if you unfold it and see that the fold goes straight through the middle of the X, you did it right. And then it makes a mountain, and you press right in the middle of the X, and it pops up. Alright, hands underneath these triangles right here, and fold those in, flatten them out. Alright, and then there'll be two more triangles here. Push those down, but as you're pushing them down, flatten out the inside, fold, flatten those out, push down, and there. Now you got that. It should look like that. If it doesn't, you did something wrong. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to take this side, right here, this flap, and fold it so that it goes straight across, like that. So that it folds and it goes straight across. And then you want to do the same with the other side. And then, so wait, it looks like that. Kind of looks like a cup. And then you fold that, or not fold it, but you'll see a little flap right there, a little pocket, and then this flap goes inside that pocket. So do what you can to make that fit in there straight. Straight and good. Alright, perfect. Alright, you'll have that. You can lift it up and stuff. Alright, now what we're going to do is you want to hold right there, because you don't want this coming apart. So you hold right there and then push back with your middle finger, like push up in the middle, and then fold with this hand, and as keep spreading with both of those fingers. And you'll get that. And then what you want to do is you want to unfold it, and then see this whole triangle right here, fold that back right at the line, and then do that fold again. It just makes it easier on you. Line everything up, top and the bottom. And there, you'll get that. Oops. Alright, then what you do is you grab this, grab that, like right there, pinch and push, and as you push and fold and get this tip same as right there, like make sure they're all three of them are equal, flatten out the whole way, and then you get that. Now once you get that, you want to make the wings. You just fold down right where that thing is, right where that little up is. Fold the wings straight, just a straight line down the airplane. And you get that. Now after you get that, you want to take this, if you can see it, you want to fold this to this, like that. Let's see how good I can get this. Like that. This is really hard to do while showing you. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really hard to do. It's easier to do if you just fold it like this and get it straight up there. But it's really hard to do without my fingers being in the way. But I'll show it to you now. It should look like that. Alright, and do that with the other side. I mean, this is a hard step anyways, but it's even harder to do trying to show someone. Alright, fold those back up. Alright, and you'll see that flap under there. Put your finger under the flap, pull it up, push this down. Here, I'll do that again. Pull that flap up, pull this flap up, and then push, there'll be something in it, push that down, and push that flap down again. And then flatten it all out. And you'll get that little thing right there. Do the same with the other side. Open, open, push, push. And there's the top view, front, side, diagonal. And then you can fold up and make sure the wings are equal. And then we're going to do a little wing thing, little stabilizers on the side. What you want to do is you want to take this and fold it halfway in, like this. Fold it halfway in. And then you unfold that and fold this to the last fold you did. And then you straighten them both out and it looks like that, a curve. Do the same with the other side. Halfway in. Open to the last fold you did. There. Now that is stylish. Flies good too. Impress your friends with this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoy flying it. Bye.